got a UDR, we got a brushless e-revo.
Oh.
Noises.
Oh, she's thirsting to come out.
Oh, she's in there. Oh, that's pretty big.
Oh my god.
And there's more in here, look.
Oh, you got some more bits. They wee bits. Oh, that's a wee bit.
I don't know.
Well, that isn't a wee bit.
We've got a controller. Pretty normal controller.
And you've got a wee bit.
Wee.
There you go.
Wee.
The veil unveiling.
Oh, look at it.
Oh, what a beauty.
Look at, oh, there's more stuff. Congratulations on your purchase of our first production Traxxas Unlimited Desert Racer. So we've got our usual instructions and tools and all that stuff. Oh, man. Oh,
let's have a go. Oh my god. That's amazing. Look at that.
Oh, man.
What's the weight of it like then? That's not bad for that kind of size machine, is it?
It's even got Lego, look.
Oh, we like Lego. You must have seen some of Kev's videos.
Even got Lego on there. So we've got a spare drive shaft. Apparently this is a usable spare drive shaft. Apparently the usable rear tyres, or front tyres. I don't know what it is. This looks like a Bluetooth module. Yes, it is, look.
Poor Joe broke.
Alright, so I don't know what to say. I don't really know nothing about it yet. I watched RC Sparks' video on it earlier on today. So the body shell you can't really take off on this. It's all screwed on. Apparently there's like 12 screws, all in different places that hold that on. Shall we look underneath what's going on? Shall we look what's going on underneath? So the batteries go in here. So really you don't really have to take the body shell off that often, only when you like bust it. But most of it is all under here.
The shocks. That's amazing.
Proper live axle on the back. What they've done in here, which is pretty clever, in here they've put, I don't know for sure, but apparently in here is a Planetary Gear Box. So what it does, it spins this shaft a lot quicker than what that does. So it takes the torque out of it,
Right,
so it stops the torque twist. That's like the idea of it.
Excellent, yeah.
And apparently it's got another Planetary Gear Box in here somewhere for the front.
How big is your battery space then?
That's the point, I've not actually got any... How do you even get in
We're
here?
gonna have to change some battery leads and stuff to make all our batteries fit.
There's no way that I'm running the Traxxas leads.
No, or Traxxas
batteries.
batteries either, because at them prices.
Yes, I saw Medic do this, I already know how. More.
Is that a wee bit? Wee.
Yeah.
Right.
So this is the only bit that I don't like. It's got these Traxxas connectors sort of built in, moulded into it. So if you want to run different batteries that are different to these, then, well, I don't know. We're going to have to figure that out before we can play with it.
We're going to have to do some like extension conversion kind of thing, isn't it? So like Traxxas them and then straight into your XT90s.
Maybe, but that might fly out. I was thinking more of cutting these out and gluing an XT90 in there, maybe.
Yeah, it's your machine, mate. It's your machine. So I know. It's got to be done one way or another, hasn't it?
So speed controllers here, 6S capable, and guys, you do know that he's eventually going to be getting. He's going to be getting one of these, which is a Max 6, and it can do 8S lipo. And I'm not going to put it in there yet. When this ESC dies, I'm going to give the Traxxas ESC a little chance first. If it dies, if it dies,
when it dies,
we're going to put the hobby wing in there. This is a choice of batteries that I've got. If none of these fit, I'm going to have to buy some more. So we've got some 3200 Envisions, we've got the Abzima 5000s, and these are the Fluians that are running my X-Max. So hopefully something of this is going to fit.
That's a lot. That's a tight space, isn't it? Let's have a look. Oh yeah, there you go. Let's see if we can get two in. Oh yeah, lovely.
Is it?
Perfect. Look at that. They don't. Oh, it's tight. It's tight on the old.
Oh, we like tight. That's what she said.
Well, that's what she said. RC Sparks. There you go, guys. Legends.
Right, so
Absolute legend.
That's
that guy.
in.
We're in there. It could go pushing a bit further, but I don't want to.
We've got this bit here.
But they might have a wire hanging. I don't know.
That's it. We're in.
We're in.
Right, we're in.
But I am just in.
Check
Oh
out
my
suspension.
god! Look at it.
So, size comparison next. This is a Traxxas / quite badly beaten.
Yeah.
Much bigger. It's probably closer to X-Max size.